Hello guys, welcome back. My name is Shazib and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to install and use snaps in Debian and Debian based Linux distributions like Ubuntu and Linux Mint. So in previous video I show you show you how to install .deb packages and of course Debian and in derivatives like Ubuntu and Linux Mint. So if there is already a package management for the Debian based Linux distro, so why to care for snaps? So the problem lies with the native package manager and formats is that they are distro dependent. Like .deb package is only for Debian and its derivatives like Ubuntu and Linux Mint, and .rpm is only for Fedora, Red Hat, and CentOS. You cannot install a .deb package on Fedora and vice versa. And some of distros like Arch Linux and in derivatives like Manjaro don't even have a packaging format. They compile their application from the source code, and in some cases you will get a dependency error, and in those some cases there arise some cases where you can never fulfill that dependencies. So in other words, you can never install that application on your Linux system. So how to cope up with that? So one of the best option is to use snaps. For a developer, it is very time consuming and irritating to compile the software for every distros. So snaps is a solution to that. Snaps are cross distribution package management. It means it works on every Linux distribution. Snaps are easy to create, and Snap contains all the dependencies and the library needed to run. So that's how this is the advantage of snaps over native package management. But there is a catch. Although the snaps are cross platform distribution, it is installed, is easy to develop, but there's a catch. Snaps are slower when it compared to the native package formats. Snaps are choppy, snaps are not that stable. Sometimes snaps do not even respect the theme of your Linux system. So that's the advantage and disadvantage of snaps. Now we get how to install it. So I'm gonna zoom it. So first of all, you need a snapd package. So that's the command sudo apt install snapd. Snapd is also package management for snaps. So sudo apt install snapd, press enter. It's gonna ask for a password. I think in my case it's already installed. So how to install a snaps, how to search for a snaps and its application name. So there's two ways. First of those ways is a graphical way. Go to snapgraph.io, the snaps website. Search, if in my case I'm going to search for the Spotify. Search for the Spotify. So these are three channels: stable channel, candidate channel, and each channel. In my opinion, snaps are stable channel are best. Click on install. Press this button. It will install this command to install the Spotify. So Control Shift V. It's going to take some time. So this Spotify is installed. There's other way to search for a snap in Snap Store. It says sudo snap find and write the, in my case I'm gonna do the same as Spotify. As you can go to the top, as you can see it's as you can see in here, it's already it's the application name is Spotify. I'm gonna say sudo snap install Spotify. Of course in my case it's already installed because I've installed it earlier. So to access a snap, there's again a catch. Whenever you install a snap, you have to restart your session for restart so that it can appear in menu. As you can see, even though I installed snaps, it's still not in the menu. So what to do now? If you don't want to restart the computer, you can run snap by using this command: snap run Spotify, the package name. It will take some time. As I already told you, snap was slower to open compared to its native. Ta-da! Spotify is here. Spotify is here. So that's how you can run Spotify without restarting the system. So you can also list list all the snaps I've installed. These are the dependencies, pre-dependencies, and this is application. Now how to remove it? Sudo snap in case remove, the same remove and use Spotify, same package name Spotify. So that's how you can install snaps or run snaps or remove snaps in any Linux distribution. Thank you, bye bye, see you next time.